Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. Today I'm going to be showing you fruit tide sadam. This fruit tide sadam is normally prepared when we have festivals at home or when we are having some visitors at home, and we prepare this during Pongal or Ganesh Chaturthi. So this is a highly requested recipe by all my friends. I'm using a regular table rice, Sona Masoori rice, that we normally eat at home. I've washed the rice twice and I've reserved it. So the measure for this rice is I've used 1 coffee tumbler of rice. I've washed it thrice and soaked it in the same coffee tumbler amount, 2 tumblers of water, and I'm going to be adding 1 tumbler of that measure milk. So for 1 tumbler of rice, 2 tumblers of water and 1 tumbler of milk. I've used this coffee tumbler to measure the rice. So I've added the milk. Now I'm going to place this rice in the pressure cooker and I'm going to cook it for 3 to 4 whistles. So once it is cooked for 3 to 4 whistles, it will be nice and mushy. I'm going to add salt as per taste. Once it is cooked, I'm going to allow it to reach room temperature and then add the ingredients. The recipe in detail is posted on my blog. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, friends. All the links to my social media will be in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also posted in YouTube channel. YouTube channel link will also be in the description box below this video. Now you can see the rice is cooked. It's nice and mushy. I'm going to remove it from the flame and allow it to cool. Once it has reached temperature, I've reserved all the ingredients. The rice is ready. We need regular yogurt. This is plain yogurt. No salt added or no flavors in it. We need pomegranate seeds, finely chopped apples, raisins, cashew nuts, grapes, finely chopped chilies, finely chopped ginger, finely chopped coriander, finely chopped ginger, finely chopped coriander, finely chopped curry leaves, deseeded and finely chopped cucumber. For tempering, we need mustard seeds, cumin seeds, dried red chili and asafoetida. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. Now that the rice has cooled, I'm going to add the yogurt. The yogurt measure for this is 1.5 tumblers to 2 tumblers of yogurt. So I've added 1 tumbler of yogurt now. I'm going to mix the rice and also adjust the salt as per taste. While the rice is absorbing the yogurt, I'm going to prepare the tempering. So for the tempering, I've heated a fry pan with oil. And now I'll be adding the mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Allow it to splutter. Once the mustard has stopped spluttering, I'm going to add the curry leaves, finely chopped ginger, finely chopped chilies, cashew nuts, dried red chili and asafoetida. So this is a regular tempering that we prepare. I'm going to fry the cashew nuts till it turns light brown in color. Now once all the ingredients are fried, I'm going to remove this from the flame and allow it to cool. Now you can see that the rice has absorbed all the yogurt. I'm going to adjust the yogurt quantity as well. I've added the chopped fruits, finely chopped coriander, raisins, pomegranate and cucumber. I'll also add the tadka or the tempering. Now I'll adjust the salt and the yogurt again. I'll add the extra yogurt and salt. We need to adjust that. 1 extra glass of yogurt I added. And I also adjusted the salt as per taste. Once we add the fruits, there won't be much salt. So we have to adjust the salt. You can also add sugar, but make sure the rice is in room temperature. If you add hot If you add yogurt to hot rice, it will get sour. Once I've mixed all the ingredients, I've gone ahead and served it. Garnished the rice with extra fruits and tadka, and I've served it. In South India, we prepare this when we have festivals or when we are having guests at home. Do give this recipe a try, friends. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I've gone ahead and served my Thai sadam. Try this recipe and post your comments. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.